Hello everybody and welcome back to one of my DIY videos. Today we're going to take the same idea of welding all the nails together like in the last DIY video and use it to make more of a human figurine. My buddy and I back in middle school, we took some railroad spikes and made these figures out of the railroad spikes that were doing all these actions. So we had people skiing, climbing, running, there's even a drummer that we made. I have a few of these actually up in the house he actually did end up selling a few of the ones that he made by himself. They were super cool. I ended up with a few of the more big designs just because we had the space to take them. And now I'm going to try and make those into miniatures using just nails. So why don't we grab the material, get started by cleaning it up. Now that I've got these all fixed and shiny and new again, so I want to bend them into shapes that you typically see someone walking in, just to start. I can get more complex once I get this down, I think. So first, let's try bending a leg, I guess. So typically a leg will have a slight bend in the middle. Your leg bones are about the same length. So I'm going to start and leave the head of the nail as the foot because I think it will give it a better way of standing if that is the case. Let's put in the vise, find our point where we want it to bend at. I'm going to make it not quite the middle just because I want to be able to weld and create a little bit of human looking features in it. Not too much of a bend, just a slight one. So I think if that's the back leg, then the front leg would have a little bit more of a bend to it. But let's see. And here we go. That doesn't look too bad. I'm going to try welding it now, see how that goes, and so enjoy the time lapse. Well, I think that turned out pretty good. Let me grab a glove so I can, or a rag or something, so that I can actually pick this up because it's still pretty hot from welding it. But other than the welder being a little funky, probably my setup, probably have it too hot as well for welding this. It's not bad. It's hard to see, but I think it looks pretty good. I definitely put the arms on backwards, and I'm realizing that now because typically your opposite arm goes forward with your opposite leg and if that makes sense to anybody. But other than it being a little funky and needing to be cleaned up with the wheel again, it doesn't look half bad. You definitely see a figure motion there. So I might have to try making the climber next, because the climber you can get to stand up. This guy, don't think he's going to get to stand up, since the climber can clip onto the back of a door or over a windowsill or something. This guy probably won't. So we'll see. Next time I'll probably do a DIY climber and speed through the process, because I'm sure this was long and not needed. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Just have a good day.